All right, guys, what's up? Today, special day, great opportunity because my friend Vinny and his media team, you got Miller, they're doing their Across America tour with the GTD GT500 and their media team Explorer ST. And I have found out, got a hold of them. They are rolling through Kansas City this morning. They should be here in about 8 minutes. So of course I want to take the opportunity to meet these guys. Now I've already met Vinny last year in Charlotte at Von Gittin Jr.'s shop. So I've met Vinny before, but just having them come across country, we sent the media team. I have a soft spot in my heart for the media people. So when I saw that the media team got an Explorer ST, got a hold of Thermal R&D, Victor sent them out an exhaust for that bad boy because I can't have them rolling around in silence. So they should be rolling up to this gas station any moment. We're gonna get the GTD GT500 Explorer ST on the movie film, meet these cats, wish them luck, safe travels for the rest of the way. Let's go. How sick. How sick. Let's go.
It's so crazy.
The fact that we get to share this moment of you being in Kansas City with this car, dude, I am so happy.
I love that, man.
Thank you so much for letting us be here for this.
Usually it's white, so just giving you that right off the bat.
So, but your goal though is miles.
Yeah.
You want to have the most miles on your GTD more than anybody.
Pretty much. It's a combination of that and sharing it, you know?
How many miles are going to be on it by the time you're done?
Hopefully close to 8,000. Yeah. Here, come here, check it.
Yeah, let's go see this thing.
Definitely haven't driven through any rainstorms. You're right on the dash. Where am I at now?
When I told Josh, I was like, he's trying to put the most miles on the car. And Josh was like, I already love this, man. Because like, I covered one that got delivered in where I live, Excelsior.
That, yeah.
But he's the exact opposite. It will have, he wants no miles. It's going to sit for 4 years. He won't drive it. I mean,
I have so many things I want to say, but I want to respect everybody.
yeah. What's up, boys? Brother.
Hey, we can still run it.
My Explorers might have a vertical link that's broke right now. Dude, nice to meet you. I'm Tyler.
Miller.
Nice to meet you. No, you're good. No, you're good. You're good.
Getting bald, so I already text Michelin. They're like, yeah. So I don't know if you know this. I got to drive this on Michelin's test track with one of the original test drivers.
How was that?
I was nauseous for 2 weeks.
No.
Oh, dude, it was awesome. And he was like, I'm going to the grocery store. And I'm like, fuck, what the fuck? But I just texted him the tires. He's like, yeah, those are getting close.
Because I mean, you don't get much life out of them though, right? Anyway?
No. It's a Cup 2R.
Yeah.
I don't know if you know this though, Michelin did design this tire for this car specifically.
No way.
So you can't buy these for, look at it. It's getting there.
Shoo!
So they wanted me to take a picture of the inside. This is the first GTD that's been long distance road tested.
Yeah.
Because all the other ones have been racetrack tested. So,
No problems though so far. Has it been a blast to drive?
Dude. This car is absolutely insane. Okay. Oh, the inside looks really good actually.
Dude, thank you guys for letting me know where you guys were gonna be.
Yeah, dude,
I appreciate it so much.
I'm so sorry it wasn't Sunday, and I'm sorry that
No. I told Vinny, there's so many people that would love.
What if we could stop the world tonight and run away, just you and I?
What's up, man?
What's up, man?
I'm
Right.
Tyler.
Nice to meet you.
Are you driving the Explorer?
Yeah.
So I'm FaceTiming. Oh crap! Hold on. I'm
FaceTiming the tuner.
FaceTiming the tuner
Oh,
of
nice.
the Explorer,
Nice.
and I wanted to ask how you guys liked it.
Dude, it hauls ass.
Is it good?
Oh yeah, it's good.
Pretty good ass.
Sounds like they like it, dude. Look at this.
Very well next to the GT500.
Let me
actually really
walk
good.
around this rig.
Oh yeah, it actually holds up. Take that out.
Oh look! Oh that's a good idea. These mud flaps.
Yep. So we didn't pop any rocks on the GTD.
I like it.
We got all the friggin' all the tunes.
Oh look! There you are, brother.
Oh snap!
That's tight.
We made a sick video for you that's going live later tonight.
Hey, they said they made a sick video for you that it's going live tonight.
Oh cool, I appreciate that.
Bro, this is sick. Let me go show you Vinny over here so you can say hi real quick. This is a Winfield. That's
what's up, man?
That's
How
who
are
tuned the
ya?
Explorer.
Sick, dude. It drives so much better. It's like killer.
Awesome.
It's awesome.
Great to hear.
Let me take a quick picture real quick.
Yeah, you're good.
See what just rolled up next
I did. I saw that.
Like, wait, that's mine.
Yeah, dude. Yeah, I just want to make sure you got to meet these cats real quick.
We get uploaded for it.
All right, brother. We'll holler at you later. All right, dude. See you later. Bye-bye. Yeah, so before I take these pictures, this is the Explorer. So Vinny and the team, they had posted that they got this Explorer ST for the media guys. And again, I got a soft spot for the media guys. So as soon as I saw this, I was like, we got to hook these cats up with some parts. So got a hold of Victor at Thermal R&D. They have the Thermal R&D sticker over there on the other side. I'll show you. And got them hooked up with the exhaust. And from there, it was kind of just the trickle effect. Tagged FinFab, Brett Finning. He got some parts underneath on this car too. My buddy Travis, Houston Speed Freaks, he sent out some stuff for this car. So it's really cool seeing it all the way from Charlotte here to Kansas City and getting to see what we've, we contributed just a very small part of this tour of America that they're doing right now, but I'm honored to be even part of it a little bit. So yeah, this is the car. I'm gonna get some pictures of it real quick. All right, guys, I am here. I finally got to meet up. What are you calling this tour, Vinny?
Still trying to put my mic on. It's called we're calling it the GTD US Tour, I guess.
We found them on their GTD US Tour. Now, I met Vinny one time last year in Vaughn getting shop there in Charlotte, so it is wild getting to see him here in my home of Kansas City on this tour. And they brought the Explorer ST over there. That is the media team vehicle. They got the GT500 over here. That is the official GTD pace vehicle. And then they have the GTD over here with, I'm assuming, probably the most miles of any GTD right now. I looked on the odometer earlier, 5,900 on the clock on this thing. How have those 5,900 miles been in this car?
It's been a lot of driving. It's been epic. I mean, literally every time I get out of this car, it could be 12-hour day of driving. I just want to get back in. Dude, I don't know what else to say.
That is so perfect.
A comfortable GT3 race car, like who would have ever thought?
And it has, what's crazy is this car has all the amenities too. It's got all the technology in front of you. Got the dual clutch transmission. How much horsepower does this thing have?
815.
815 horsepower cranking out of this bad boy. And again, it's so crazy having two of these cars. One that used to be the top dog Mustang of all time, and now we have the current top dog Mustang of all time. So I am very fortunate, Vinny. Thank you guys for letting me know where you are. There's a ton of people that wanted to see these cars across this tour of America that probably aren't going to get the opportunity to. So we are very blessed, very thankful for the opportunity, dude. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for showing up too.
Yes,
I love it.
It was just this morning. They were like, hey, we're going to be at this spot at 11:45, and I knew the task. Got a hold of Josh with the camera real quick, and he got us taken care of.
It's freaking awesome.
Yeah, let's go.